Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Gallimimus running. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Gallimimus, let's begin right up here with the eye. So I'm just going to begin by making a small circle for the eye right here. Then inside of here, we're just going to put a little black dot. We'll make a little line that goes right above it, kind of like a little sad face. And then we'll make a small little line underneath the eye. Now starting up here, I'm going to make lines going to go up and then down, right above it. And then let's make the front of the face. I'll draw a line that's going to come down to here. We'll make a small little bump where the nose is going to be. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here. Now I'm going to curve this up. Now I'm going to bring this up close to the eye and then down. And let's go ahead and make a little dot right here for the nose. For the chin, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up, kind of like a smiley face shape. Now for the jaw, let's bring this line over, and then we're going to curve it up here. Now, right underneath the jaw, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. These are just like some little wrinkles. And then for the neck, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve it around and bring it back to here. Now let's make the back of the head. We'll start here and we'll draw a line that's just going to curve down, kind of follow the shape of the neck. And then we'll do that same thing. We'll just kind of keep following the curve of the neck, and then we're just going to bring it back here. Now I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come down a little bit and then in, kind of show where like the chest is going to be. And then I'm going to make the arm. Let's begin with like a diagonal line. Then we'll bring another line that's going to come back here, and then we're going to come down. Then we're just going to curve it back and come to here. We'll add a little curved line here to kind of where the hand's going to be. And then I'm going to bring this line over and then back up here. Next, I'm going to make another little line that's going to come down here for the other little claw or finger. And then we'll add a little point at the end of them because they do have some claws. We'll just kind of color that in. Now starting here, let's bring a little line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make the legs. So we're going to try to give him a running pose. So we're going to start with this first leg. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down here. And then I'm going to angle it back here. Then I'm going to bring this line back here. And then I'm going to make the foot come down here. I'm going to bring this line down and up. Then we'll bring this line down and we'll come up to here. We'll add another little curved line or two here. Next, we'll bring this line back here and then up. I'm going to curve it up to here. And then I'm just going to curve this around. Then at the end of the feet, we'll add just some little claws. We'll just kind of color in. Now, starting out here, I'm going to add the other leg. So I'm just going to kind of start right about like here. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this down at an angle here. Then we'll add a couple little like wrinkle lines. And then I'm going to add a little line that's going to come down and then over. And then one here, it's just going to go down and over. I'm going to bring this line up. We'll bring it into here. We'll kind of go up, and then we'll go down and kind of come right back up here. Then we'll just kind of add these little claws at the end here that we're just going to kind of color in. Now let's work on the back here. I'm going to start right about here. I'm going to bring this line up and then over. Then we'll bring this right around here, kind of like a curve. I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve it around. Make it come to a rounded point, and then we're going to bring it right back down to here. Now, starting here, let's add that other arm. We're not going to see much of it, so let's just add a little line that's going to come down. And then we'll add a little line that's going to come out here. It's going to curve around. And then one more right here. It's going to curve around. And we'll add a little line up here. So here's our basic shape of our Gallimimus. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to add a couple little lines right here, just to kind of show where there's going to be some bends in the neck. And I'll also make a little curved line right here by the mouth. Draw a little line up here. And just some long little broken lines around here. Some long broken lines right along the back. And just a couple little lines right around here too for the ribs. Do some more little lines around here. And a couple of curved lines by the arms, just show where there's like some wrinkles and bends. Make a couple little lines over here where the knee is. And we'll make a nice little line or two right around there, show where the muscles are. Make a line or two up here, and then a couple more lines right around here, just for some detail. Put some wrinkle lines on the toes. Then I'm going to make a little line here and a couple little lines coming down here for some detail. With a few more little wrinkle lines on the toes. And a couple little lines right here by the tail. And we'll put a few on the arms here. Forgot to make these little claws here and just a couple of wrinkle lines by the fingers. And then maybe a little line or two right by the mouth of our Gallimimus. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Gallimimus running. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.